Keeping troubles at bay, decoding English idioms. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English phrase, at bay. Ever wondered what it means or how it came to be? Stick around to unravel its mysteries. At bay is an idiomatic expression. When something is kept at bay, it means that it is kept at a distance or held off. Typically, it's used to refer to keeping something unwanted or dangerous away, preventing it from coming too close or causing harm. For example, she managed to keep her fears at bay while speaking in public. During the storm, the villagers kept the rising waters at bay with sandbags. Would you believe that this idiom has roots in hunting? Originally, at bay referred to a hunted animal that turns to face its pursuers, especially hounds, and refuses to run any further. This moment of standoff, when the animal fights off or keeps the hunters at a distance, is what gave rise to the phrase. Over time, the idiom evolved to its more general usage, signifying holding off something or someone. To truly grasp an idiom, it's helpful to know how to use it in everyday speech. Here are a few more examples to guide you. By taking vitamins, I hope to keep colds at bay during the winter. He uses relaxation techniques to keep his stress at bay. The security measures in place are to keep threats at bay. And there you have it. Now you know what "at bay" means, its origins, and how to use it in daily conversations. English is full of fascinating idioms, and understanding them can make your language journey even more rewarding. We hope this video sheds light on the idiom for you. Until next time, happy learning!